Welcome back, and today I'm going to show you how to set up mobile hotspot and tethering on your Samsung Galaxy. First thing is tap on settings, then you tap on connections, then you tap on mobile hotspot and tethering. You can see to tap on mobile hotspot and then you can try to turn it on or off. Now if you want to edit the network name, password and band, tap on configure at the bottom, edit it, then you can now edit them. And once if you want to edit more, tap on advanced. You see broadcast channel, you can edit that. Mobile data limit, you can set it. MAC address type, you can set it. You can also set the time it takes to turn off when no device is connected. You can also decide to hide your network, so your mobile hotspot name won't appear in the list of available Wi-Fi networks. You can decide to enhance security of mobile hotspot by preventing older devices from connecting, turning on this protected management frame. If you're through with everything, tap on save. Then you go back. For Bluetooth tethering, you can share your phone's internet connection using Bluetooth. If you want this, turn it on. Then you can also do USB tethering, but the USB device has to be connected. So as you can see, the USB device connected for mine. If it was, I'll be able to access this. The same thing with the Ethernet tethering. If you have an Ethernet adapter connected, you will also set this. So that is how to set up